mean, it's my favorite thing to do for a living.
Magic is often created by breaking some sort of rule, pushing boundaries, challenging the norm, asking why not? It does something to us.
I fired my performance anxiety as my guide in life. And instead, I gave the job to enthusiasm. I just want to do something because it's fun, even if it's easy or doesn't have a lot of prestige. Like, I just want to play again.
I could only find my magic in a cookie or a slice of cake or a gooey underbaked pie.
I realized that I needed to change my tactic because pushing myself to be excellent wasn't working out. I'd set the bar too high and I kept on falling short of my own expectations and I just kept on quitting.
I decided I wasn't gonna frost the sides of a cake like the textbooks taught me. I decided I was gonna load cookie dough with marshmallow, tossing convention out the window. I wanted people to eat birthday cake, not just on their birthday, but any day they wanted.
I felt completely free creatively. If I had set out to build robots that were great, I would never have gotten started.
I'm not an engineer. I didn't study engineering in school. And I just realized I thought it was way more fun to build useless things than useful things. Because when you set up to build useful things, you're putting a tremendous burden on yourself.
A bare cupboard is the greatest gift that you can give your imagination. The creative potential is limitless when you limit the resource.
I always try to be like, what's the most ridiculous way I can solve this problem? Because it pushed me to think of problems in ways that I wouldn't otherwise, and it forces you to go outside of your comfort zone, and it forces you to think outside of like what you would normally do, and that's where a lot of innovation is.
I built my business with the same challenge the norm mentality. Rather than measure my business's success by the profit or loss, I decided we'd measure our impact by the twinkle in people's eyes, by the, I can't put that down feeling.
And even though the bar was still really low, I noticed that I started jumping higher and higher as my skills started growing. Turns out we're a lot better at the things that we enjoy.
VaynerSpeakers.